Want to build a YouTube channel all about USAA, sharing tips and insights with fellow members? Let's dive into creating a successful USFO's channel. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need a Google account. Then, head to YouTube and sign in. Click your profile picture and select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your USAA focus, something like USAA Member Insights or your USAA Guide. Next, customize your channel. In YouTube Studio, go to Customization. Under Layout, feature a compelling channel trailer and organize your content into playlists, perhaps one for insurance tips, another for banking strategies, and another for member benefits. Hop over to Branding. Upload a professional profile picture, ideally incorporating the USAA logo in a subtle way, and create an eye-catching channel banner. Think about using images that communicate trust, security, and financial well-being. Now, optimize your basic info. Write a concise description highlighting your channel's focus on US-related content. Include relevant keywords like USAA insurance, USAA banking, and USAA financial planning. Also, add links to your social media profiles for wider reach. It's time to plan your content. Think about videos that address common USAA member questions, explain complex financial products, share personal experiences, and provide tips on maximizing your USAA benefits. Variety is key. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails and optimize your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Finally, engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to subscribe and share your videos. Building a community is vital for long-term success. Good luck creating your USAA YouTube channel.